my life. We are starting off with a crucial ritual, pouring tea. Because let's be honest, nothing happens before tea. Tea is life, tea is love. Two cups, one for me, one for my mother. No, you can't have any, get your own. Get your own. Summer break does not mean a break from learning. Here's a little snippet of me helping my brother, teaching him through online classes. It's fun to be his tutor and keep him ahead in his studies, even when he really does not want to study. If teaching him online has taught me anything, it's that patience is a virtue and coffee is a necessity. Now it's time to get cooking. It's one of my favorite dishes, and I love the process of preparing from scratch. And the dish's name is egg curry. First, the eggs and potatoes take a hot bath in the cooker. Then, it's all about washing and chopping those veggies. Who knew cooking could be this glamorous? I'm just one step away from my own cooking show. While the curry simmers, let's check out my desk. Summer holidays mean it's a creative mess. Art supplies, books, beautiful, totally not artificial pot plant. This is where I plot world domination. Draw and read. My desk is my creative chaos zone. Organized mess, maybe, but it's my mess and I love it. On my wall, I've got two maps, one of India and one of the world. They remind me of all the places I want to visit. Once, maybe I have more than 2 rupees to my name. And here's me working on a new portrait. Drawing is my passion and I love getting lost in the details. My desk is a little creative corner where all the magic happens. Time to serve up dinner. After all that hard work in the kitchen, here's the final product, my egg curry. Cooking and then enjoying a meal I made myself is so satisfying. And that's a wrap on a day in my life. From tea to teaching, cooking to creating, every day is an adventure. Thanks for tagging along and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on your favorite part. See you in the next vlog.